Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about Binance Launchpad. Binance will be launching this protocol token sales on Binance 24 November to 1 December next month. So this is technically a token sale on Binance. You can purchase this. You need to be holding BNB for you to be able to participate in this token sale. So first, I'm going to come to this link over here to read this article over here, introducing the hook protocol token sale on Binance Launchpad. I'm not going to read everything. Binance decided to announce the 29th project on Binance Launchpad. So the token sale for hook protocol will follow this Launchpad subscription for with the record of user BNB balance straight at 2022 11 24 UTC. So the Binance will be making a snapshot of your account, so they can know how much then the token you hold, then how much the token you can purchase with your holding. Binance will record user balance for 7 days from this time I mentioned to 1 December. So the final BNB holding amount for each user will be determined as the average of the 7 days, with the daily average balance calculation previous announcement. So you can check this link over here to check the information. This token says details: token name, hook protocol, and launchpad ad cap 2.5 million USDT. Ad cap per market per user 15,000. Someone can buy 15,000 worth of this token. That's 150 token of this token. Supply token is 500,000, and total token allocation to Binance Launchpad is 25 million. So 25 million, 5% of this token, 5% of total token supply. Public say token price this token is equivalent to 10 cents. Price in BNB will be determined to priority to subscription. Like, it's going to be determined as the price of the BNB at that moment to each dollar. Token formula subscription support season BNB only. The only token you can buy this this is only BNB. So that's Binance token. So subscription timeline, preparation period 2022 November 24 00 UTMC. That's the time the preparation period to December 1. The duration the user will be able to buy this. Then they have their calculation, like Binance is going to calculate their holding during these days. So, and subscription, I just want to skip this. I just want to make this as fast as possible. Token final distribution. Your final token allocation will be calculated and be corresponding NBNB will be deducted from your already locked BNB amount. Once deducted, your hook and BNB token will both be transferred to your spot wallet. To learn more about this token, you need to come to this link and read more about this token. So that's the quick update I said I should give you guys. Subscribe to this channel to receive this real-time update on my channel. See you guys on the next video.